Hey, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is closing, and in fact, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you're not closing today. Number 1, you're not aligned. You haven't asked intelligent questions, you haven't investigated what they need, you haven't found out their beliefs, their desires, their challenges, their pain points, and you're not given a solution that aligns. So number 1, you're just not aligned. Number 2, you're not at the same pace as them. So what I mean by that is sometimes reps are in front of the client doing things that the client's actually not quite ready for, or they could be behind the client. The client's already sold and moved on, but they're still anchoring them back to things that they think they need to be convinced on. So number 2, make sure that your pace is the same pace as the client. And the 3rd reason people aren't closing, they're not asking for the business. It's as simple as that. Just ask. Be really comfortable. Drive around your car. When you're in the shower, just go, great. When can we start that? When do we move on? Where's the next step? How do we get this moving here? Whatever your sentence may be, ask for the business. That's why you're in sales. You're in sales to ask great questions and to ask the business at the end. So if you're wondering why you're not closing, think of those 3 and think to yourself, are you doing those? And that's the case. Number 1, make sure you're great at aligning. Number 2, make sure your pace is the same. And number 3, ask for the business. If you think a colleague would find this useful, then share. If you've got a comment you'd like to make about closing, then put one below. And if you'd like more tips on how to close more business, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.